Garrett's Black Diamond F150. Are you struggling with your seatbelts? Well, I struggled too. I'm Jason, here to bring you how to put on those seatbelts. Now that you're seated, let's begin. Step 1. Let's begin with the left strap. What you want to do is you want to place this right over yourself, nice and tight like this. Step 2. You want to grab the right strap. Place it as so. Step 3. This is the tricky one. Are you watching, folks? Grab the left bottom strap. Now place this over here. Step 4. Very tricky. Very tricky. This is where most people mess up. You're going to grab this strap right here. You're going to pull that so it's open. Now you're going to leave that right there for a moment. Then you're going to put these two right here. Then you're going to put this in here like so. Now, here's the one that everyone struggles with. Put that in there and latch. Pull back this if it's locked on and Velcro it for safety's sake.